Okay, hey guys, Mitch with Prism Supply again, introducing you to two of our new products, the Heritage Footpegs and our Mini Spoon Footpegs. So first we're going to talk about our Mini Spoon Footpegs. They're nice, simple stainless steel, broke, welded, in-house. Just a little mini version of the classic spoon style footpegs to make it so you can slim up your bike a little bit as opposed to the normal size footpeg. And I'll put this one on for you to show you. This install couldn't go much easier. It's just one bolt in, one bolt out kind of deal. So the cool part is that these pegs are going to fit our 4-inch mid pegs as well as our Sportster Mid-Control Kits. That was a big thing for Sportsters is you can't get a lot of weird pegs for Sportsters, but with our Mid-Control Kit you can put vintage pegs, you can put all these cool types of pegs in our Sportster Mid-Control Kit. There you go, it's that easy. The other peg that we got is our Heritage style. These ones are going to be a little fancier, machined out of aluminum. If you get a real close-up look, and you can tell why we call them the Heritage peg, leave a comment down below and I'll give you a high five. Installing these on the other side. One bolt in, one bolt out. Really slims up your bike. Because most of the time on these old bikes or these sporties, the widest part of your bike is going to be the foot pegs, and this kind of brings you in a couple inches. Those are our new pegs. Go get them now. Send us a picture of them on your bike if you get them. Love to see it. See you later. Tools needed. I really like that actually.
Yeah, it looks really good next to that pedal, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.